At MaxVal, our culture is built on innovation, collaboration, and growth. We are more than just a workplace. We are a team driven by excellence, creativity, and a passion for delivering top-tier intellectual property solutions. Here's what makes our culture truly special.
We are focused on delivering intellectual property solutions to some of the world's most innovative companies and their law firms.
Our culture focuses on innovation in the workplace and encourages individual development and advancement.
We believe that having fun is just as important as delivering high-quality service.
Our investment in employee development, team building, and training activities will provide many opportunities to become a better you.
The use of technology, continuous process improvements, and regular quality checks are the characteristics of the workplace you will join.
We nurture teams through policies and guidelines that ensure employee growth is taken seriously and everyone is treated fairly. Regardless of which office or country we work in, we are members of a dedicated and professional team that aims to deliver highest level of service and support.